Hello my kings and queens, welcome back to another video, and I am back with a makeup video. I haven't done makeup on my channel in a short while because I don't want my channel to just be for makeup. I want it to be, you know, all things around me and things that I love to do. I want to post a makeup video today. I was really inspired by one of my favorite MUAs, Nikkie Tutorials. She posted a video like 2-3 days ago. It was a like mask type of Halloween, you know, plastic type look. And I really loved the video because, well, she's just one of my favorite MUAs, but it was a really cool illusion type video. And I've done illusion before, but never public. I just did the toothpaste James Charles look, and I never really posted it or even made a video of me doing it because I didn't like how my eyes and lips look. I just liked how the plastic look gets the video. Okay, so I'm ready to get started. I got my mirror, so if you see me looking down, it's so I can see. She started with her outline of how she wanted it to look. So I'm just gonna get this little eyebrow pencil that I use. I have it on my eyebrows right now. I'm just gonna draw the outline of my eye. So this side, yeah, I think this is the better eyebrow. So she starts up here. And that is gonna be our canvas. So after she carved it, that's when she started doing the makeup. So first we're gonna prime. I haven't really been wearing foundation recently. I know it sounds really weird. I've just been using like concealers. So that's what I'm gonna do right now. It's just going with a concealer. Now we're going to go in with the eyebrows. So I'm going to use my Dip Brow Anastasia palette and just do my eyebrows. That is a brow right there. I am proud of myself for that, okay? Now we're just going to conceal under our brows. As you guys can see, I'm actually filming a video in my own room because I'm usually in my living room. So yeah, if you didn't notice that, this is my room. But I think I showed you guys in my Road to Success episode 1. I didn't even think about what type of eye look I was going to do for this. Of course, you know, for some light, we're going to be using the Jaclyn Hill palette. So I think I'm going to kind of do what she did. Yeah, we're just going to do a recreation. So she did a cut crease, so we're going to start out with the outer crease, and we're going to go in with this little blue, green, teal kind of color, and just put that on the outer crease of our eyeball. I'm just going to go in with this purplish color, and I'm going to also use a little bit of this pink to blend that through. Now we're going to go in with this little orange, burnt yellowish color here and just blend that in the front. Now I'm going to go back in with this purple and clean it up because as you can see, it's like really faint in there. For our crease, to cut it sister, I'm just going to use this little brush and my concealer. So I just blended out my cut crease, and now it's time to add a little bit of white to it. So I'm going to add this color right here into it to make it a little, you know, not my skin tone, which is this like brown shade of my skin. So we're just going to add some white onto this spoon brush. The white is a little shimmery, which is not a problem because I kind of like how it, you know, picks up. Once that is done, I'm looking at her and she kind of adds like some liner type color to this look. So I'm gonna need a brush that is skinny, skinny, skinny. Now we're going to add the liner. So she goes in with this pink on the outer, and then she goes on with like this orange. So we're gonna mix the yellow. Now we're just going to highlight. I think I want to use a pink highlighter. All right, and now for the depth of the mask. So I'm just going to go in with that eyebrow pencil again, and I'm just going to darken it up now that I know how I want it. As you can see, I kind of overdrawn it because that's going to help me see where I want to carve this out. So I'm going to go in with my eyeshadow palette, and I'm just going to look at these dark colors right here, and that's going to help me blend this. So I'm going to go in with this brown, and I'm just going to blend that into this line. The shading is really the biggest part of this because this will help, you know, carve out the mask like entirely. Now that I've went along all of it, I'm just going to take this little brush right here and this light brown color, and I'm going to try to blend it into my skin. It's really harsh right now, as you can see, and the lines are really like defined, and we don't really want that. So I'm going to blend a little bit of red with some brown, and I'm just going to try to blend it with my skin. So now that that is all carved out, I'm really starting to love this look. And now I have to add the plastic looking shadows that she added on hers. So this is the part where I actually have to look at what she did, or else I'm gonna mess this up. So I'm gonna put the white liner onto a brush, and I'm just going to like paint it onto my face. So she adds some here. This was like a shadow here. And to complete the look, I have to add my lips. Alright, and once that's lined, we're just gonna go in with the lipstick. And now we are done with the look. Oh my gosh, it looks so good. I can't even close this. All right, let's show it off. Why don't we? So her hands are like this. Yeah, and then she was like this. Thank you guys for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, give it a big old thumbs up. Make sure you subscribe to my channel if you want more looks like these, because I'm totally living for it, how 3D it is. Hers is definitely more 3D than mine, but I think we got really, really close. Check out my previous videos, and I will see you guys next week or the week after that. So, love you. Bye.